Have you ever wondered if there's more to the world than what meets the eye? It's an intriguing question that prompts us to examine the paradox of perception. You see, our human senses are designed to perceive only a limited range of physical phenomena. Think about the colors you see every day. Your eyes are picking up on a specific slice of the electromagnetic spectrum. Now consider the sounds you hear. Those are just a fraction of the possible frequencies out there in the universe. Our sensory organs, while impressive, are inherently limited. We are, in essence, experiencing the world through a keyhole, catching only glimpses of the vast cosmos that exists beyond. So we're left with a tantalizing question. Are we missing out on an unseen world full of wonders that our senses can't detect? But what if science could push these boundaries? In the 1980s, a groundbreaking experiment challenged our understanding of perception. Picture this: a group of scientists, a flock of pigeons, and a simple mirror. This was the setting for a study that would forever change our understanding of cognitive abilities across species. The aim was simple, yet ambitious: to train pigeons to recognize themselves in a mirror, a feat that, until then, was thought to be exclusive to humans and some primates. The experiment was painstaking, requiring patience, consistency, and a deep understanding of pigeon behavior. But eventually, the impossible happened. The pigeons began to exhibit signs of self-recognition, a clear indication of a cognitive ability far beyond what we had previously assumed. This experiment was a profound revelation, forcing us to reconsider our human-centric perspective on cognition and perception. It urged us to question the limits we set on ourselves and on the world around us. It showed us that the boundaries of perception are not as rigid and defined as we might think, but rather they are fluid and expansive, reaching beyond what our human senses can grasp. And here's the most intriguing part. If pigeons, creatures so vastly different from us, could transcend the boundaries of perception that we had set for them, what does that imply about our own potential to perceive the universe? This experiment was a clear indication that our perception of the world is not as all-encompassing as we might think. So what lies beyond our perception? Imagine the unseen realms, filled with dark matter and energy, composing the majority of our universe, yet remaining elusive to our senses. Picture a world where birds perceive ultraviolet rays and bats navigate through echolocation, a reality vastly different from our own. As we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, we come to realize that our perception of the world is just a tiny slice of the larger cosmic pie.